When you want to put an important information in your screenplay, something you want to draw the reader's eyes to, you use the slugline. Some people call it scene headings, but sluglines are not scene headings. They perform a different function in a script. You use sluglines in a scene when you want to draw attention to an important information. It is written in capital letters. Example: int, backyard, night. John watches the armed robbers from the shadows as they walk to his house. His hand tightens around his gun. His hand tightens around his gun is the slugline. Don't litter your scripts with sluglines. Use it only when necessary, and only when you want to draw attention to something that is important to the scene.